Okay, so this is gold. We are selling off quite sharply here in gold. There's a low that is due 1014 to 1125. So we are still watching for that low to form. And we have to watch closely based on what we just saw in the US dollar as well as the Euro USD. It's really not a very positive picture. So the overall question was, where are some of the gains in gold pulled forward? Right? We'll have to just see. There is a 38.2 to the 61.8 from 2676 to right around 2722. Need to get over that 61.8 and then the 78.6, which is right here at 2758. We need to get through that level with some power to then open the door to higher levels. If we are not able to do that, that'll be a bit of a warning. Again, first step, we have to form the low, and we have not yet done that. Jump over to the short term. There is a low that is due 11.1 to 11.18. We are now looking at some key levels here from 2610 to 2550. We now have a bearish slim ribbon. So as usual, I want to see that turn neutral to give it an indication of a shifting bias. There are falling levels here from 2673 to 2723. Just have to watch that closely. That's the 38.2 to the 61.8. If we bring over the 78.6 as well, that is at 2757, and obviously that is only if this is the low. There is no evidence of that quite yet, but just keep an eye on those levels and this falling set of fibs in terms of the upside targets for that next rising mode.